Now we are going to discuss most important and repeated questions of NEET exam. Question first is cortex is the region found between. Cortex is the region found between. Options are epidermis and still, pericycle and endodermis, endodermis and pith, endodermis and vascular bundle. Correct answer is option 1, epidermis and still. Cortex tissue is found in between the epidermis and still. It is multilayered and is made up of parenchymatous cells with big intercellular space. So correct answer is epidermis and still, option first. Next important question is the balloon shaped structure. The balloon shaped structure, which is also known as tylosis. Options are originate in the lumen of vessels, characterize the shape wood, or option 3 is are extensions of xylem parenchyma cells into vessels. Option 4 are linked to the ascent of sap through xylem vessels. So before giving answers, we have to understand the question. The balloon shaped structure. Balloon shaped structure are known as the tylosis. So option 3 is the correct answer. The tylosis or balloon shaped structure are found in the woody tissues of dicot stem. These are the extensions of xylem parenchyma cells into the vessels elements. So correct answer is option 3, the balloon shaped structure, which is also known as tylosis. Next question is a cell organelle containing hydrolytic enzyme is. A cell organelle containing hydrolytic enzyme is. Options are lysosome, microsome, ribosome, mesosome. Correct answer is option 1, lysosome. A cell organelle containing hydrolytic enzyme is lysosome. Lysosomes are membrane-bound cell organelle. These contain many hydrolytic enzymes which work at high pH. They bring about the intracellular digestion of the cell debris and worn and torn cell organelles. These lose their existence while doing so. That is why they are also called as suicidal bags. So correct answer is option 1, lysosome. Next important question is a non-proteinous enzyme is. A non-proteinous enzyme is. We have 4 options and we have to find out non-proteinous enzyme. Option first is lysozyme, second is ribozyme, third is ligase, and fourth is deoxyribonuclease. A non-proteinous enzyme is. Correct answer is option 2, ribozyme. Ribozyme is a form of ribosomal RNA, 23S RNA, which acts as a catalyst in splicing of RNA during protein synthesis. It is the only non-protein enzyme. Rest all the enzymes are proteinous. So ribozyme are non-proteinous enzyme and lysozyme, ligase, deoxyribonuclease, these are the proteinous enzyme. So option 2 is the correct. A non-proteinous enzyme is ribozyme. So option 2 is the correct answer.